Shel Shem Geburah, Shel Shem Geburah. Dunamis Christus. Well, hello. Let me introduce you a little bit deeper into your invitation for your resurrection journey. After I finished my book and I released it like I was supposed to, like I was asked to, Father asked me a very important question. What about you? You. What are we going to do for them? And I thought, I don't know. They can buy my book. And he said, no. What are you going to make for them? I thought about it for a while. And I thought, we need a workbook because it took me 10 years. So I didn't want to let you flounder around for 10 years or maybe never getting it done. So I decided to create an invitation for you to step into your holy garments of purification. So what I did is I mirrored it with my book into 3 sections. So here you can create your imagery, and then the 4 questions, I'm walking you through your energy chakra centers. And along the way, I encourage you, so I peek in at you every once in a while. There's extra pages at the back that we work through big trauma releases, changing core beliefs. This is such an incredible workbook. And again, I did not want to spare the integrity and the color of everything. So no, you can't download this. You got to physically buy it because it's important for you to have a tactile response. You're actually creating imagery, bringing out your inner child, and he or she needs to color and create with your hands. This workbook is incredible. It'll walk you through all 80 emotions, just like me. Dark ones are 40, then we flip each one to light. It's an amazing experience. It'll take you a while to do this. And then after I made this a few years ago, Father asked me, we need to do more. I was like, what more can I do? I've made the books, I put them out there. He wanted me to teach it to you. And I was just in awe about that. It's like, are you kidding me? They'll see me. So we have done the workshop online course where I do each emotion, all 40 of them, with you. I give you a lot of behind the scenes on my story, and I take each question and I work with you on it, and I teach you some breath work. I teach you some very special prayers. I open up heaven a little bit and bring over to you secrets from the other side, hidden gems that you may or may not have known. And I walk with you because isn't that the point? Is walking the path of healing. It doesn't matter how many books I sell or how many downloads happen. My measurement is you. How many of you are going to finish your resurrection journey? It is life-changing and you're so worth it. So that's what we're doing on the online workshop. And you can find that on my website. I even have a calendar of events, and we're starting to create workshops in person so we can work at it as a group. Maybe take 1 or 2 topics and spend a day, because it's a full day. I'm telling you, it's a lot. And then we're also making retreats. So we're in active creation of that right now. So I would invite you to go to the footer of my website and give me your email, sign up for the releases so that you know when the workshop episodes are released, when you know I'm in a city near you, and all about the retreats, new products, whatever. We want you to be in the know so that you have opportunity to come forward so I can minister to you, pray with you, see your book that you're doing, help you, love you, hug you, all of that. I'm so excited. But the question is are you going to begin your journey? And when you do, we're all right here to help you. Many blessings.
Dunamis Christus. Wings fail.